Connection established.
Hello guys, how are you? It's a great pleasure to see you again. Sorry, I was not able to upload videos because I had a career shift. Now I have come up with an exciting video in introduction to Python, the great and the most happening programming language. Let's start. Python is a high-level programming language. It is a general-purpose programming language, but it is mostly used for AI and data science. And why Python? It is because it is efficient and it is requires less effort and it is easy to code and it has rich inbuilt library. Some advantages of Python: it is easy to learn, it is object oriented, supports multiple systems and platforms, and it has extensive support libraries. Friends, let's code in Python now. First of all, you have to install the Anaconda Navigator. It is available from the JetBrains website. Then you have to open the Jupyter notebook. So this is a very much interesting web-based interactive computing notebook environment. You can also save PDF files, and it is so much fun to use. So let's go to this. So my today's video is for the pandas library, just an introduction. Pandas is a library used for working with the data sets. So import pandas as PD. PD is a variable, and we have loaded the PD as a pandas library in the PD variable. Then pd.read_excel. The data.xls. This data we have loaded in the variable, and this shows the output. It has total 31 columns. Then df equal to df is equal to pd. This is making a copy with the data. I'm just making a copy of the data. Then if you go to df, then again I'm assigning the value. This one is the assignment operator. This is not equal to this assignment operator. So it is assigning the value to df. So if you execute the df dot head, so it will show the top 5 columns. So one more thing, if we type hash, so Python treats this as a comment. Then df tail, so this shows the top sorry, this shows the bottom 5 columns in the data set. Then if you execute df.drop now, so it eliminates any null values. So if you execute the command again df, so it will show all the data as it is because it doesn't have any null value. Then if you type df.drop underscore duplicates in place is equal to true, this will remove duplicates in the data set. Then if you type again df, so it will not show anything because there are no duplicates. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Let's start some variables also. So x is equal to 5. Then if you type x and then shift enter, it shows the value as 5. Then if you say x plus 2, it gives the value as 7. Then if you say x minus 2, that gives 3. So let us try again. It gives an error because Python is case sensitive, and here we declared x which is capital. That's why this is error. Then again you have to press shift and enter. Sorry, again this is error because this one is a capital. We typed wrong. So now it is correct. X minus 3. That is sorry, x minus 2, that is 3. So now it is correct. Then x star 2, that is x into 2, that is 10. Then if you say x double star into 3, that is the cube of 5, that is 125. Then again if you do 4, so this is the fourth square of 5. So if you say 3 again, so this will go and give 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. So that's it for the today's video. Thanks for watching my video, and I will definitely come up in the next week, probably maximum 10 days, and another video. So let's start this interesting journey of Python. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.